Algebraic expression creative question 2. Number A, resolve into factors of R. Look, here is 3 algebraic expressions. We will read this one step by step. First, we have to find out the factors of R. Number A, given R equals to 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4. This one, let's say here is 1 square, we can write, plus x square we can write. Now look, here is plus x square. So we can write like this, plus, if we consider 1 is a and x square is b, so a square plus 2ab, it means 2 times 1 times x square. But here is x square and here is 2x square, therefore we can out 1 x square, right? Now we can write here is a 1 plus x square whole square, and here is minus this one, we can write x square. Now look, it's looking what? A square minus b square. So very simple, we can write 1 plus x square, it means a plus b. We know a square minus b square equals to a plus b times a minus b. Similar, 1 plus x square plus x and 1 plus x square minus x. It means a plus b times a minus b. Now we can segregate something like 1 plus x square, and here is 1 minus x plus x square. So this is the factorization of R. Number A done. Number B, determine the value of, we can write, this is number B, 1 by P minus 1 divide Q minus 2x divide R. Okay, so first 1 divide P. P means what? 1 minus x plus x square. 1 minus x plus x square minus 1 divide Q. Q, 1 plus x square, right? Then minus 2x divide 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4. Please note that we already resolved into factors of R question A, which is 1 plus x square and 1 minus x plus x square. Which one we can use in here? How? Look, here is a 1 divide 1 minus x plus x square minus 1, then 1 plus x square minus 2x, and against this one we will write this one which we already get, 1 plus x square and 1 minus x plus x square. Now we can make LCM. So here is 2 types of thing. One is 1 minus x plus x square, another one is 1 plus x square, and both things are available in R. Therefore our LCM will be 1 plus x square, then 1 minus x plus x square. So here we will write, here is a 1 minus x plus x square, once we divide with 1 plus x square and 1 minus x plus x square, we will get here 1 plus x plus x square. Similar, here is a minus, so here is a 1 minus x plus x square, and here is only minus 2x. Then 1 plus x square times 1 minus x plus x square. So here is a 1 plus x square. Regarding minus sign, everything will be changed. So here is a minus 1 plus x and minus x square, and here is a minus 2x. Now look, here 1 and minus 1 out, plus x square minus x square out. Here is a plus x, here is a plus x. So once we make addition, here is a 2x, and here is a minus 2x. So this one and this one also out. So finally we get 0 divide 1 plus x square and 1 minus x plus x square. Ultimate result is 0. Okay, so number A and B done. Number C, which is most important, here we will simplify. Number C, this one is 1 divide P plus 1 divide Q minus 2x by R and times Q times 2x. Right? Now look, step by step we will try to solve this one. First, here is what? 1 by P. It means 1 divide, P means 1 minus x plus x square, right? Then plus Q. Q means what? 1 plus x square minus 2x. R we already get from R number A, which is 1 plus x square and 1 minus x plus x square, right? And here is a bracket close times Q divide 2x. So Q in here, Q means 1 plus x square and divide 2x. Now we will make LCM. Similar, 1 plus x square and 1 minus x plus x square. So here is a what? 1 plus x square. Here is plus 1 minus x plus x square, and here is minus 2x, right? Now, and here is times 1 plus x square 2x. Okay, then we can write, here is 1 and 1, it will be 2, right? 1 plus 1, it will be 2. Then x plus x minus x out, but here is another minus 2x, we will keep. Then plus x square, it will be 2x square, right? Then here is 1 plus x square times 1 minus x plus x square times 1 plus x square divide 2x. Now here is important things. Here is 2, 2, 2. So we can take common 2. 1 minus x plus x square. Here is a 1 plus x square times 1 minus x plus x square and here is a times 1 plus x square divide to x. Okay, now interesting thing, here is a 1 minus x plus x square, we can divide with this one, and here is also 1 plus x square, we can divide this one. These two divide 2, ultimate answer will be 1 divide x. Very simple. So we are trying to solve a creative question. Please subscribe my channel SatX, where you will get lots of things. Take care, keep practice, and share with your friends and family. Thank you.